Hey there, welcome to MilesR&Beats. I made a beat last night. My beats keep on rolling, there is no controlling. I'm just playing with you. But I made a beat last night, came out pretty good. Let's get right into it. So here is my Kong drum sets as usual. I double them up to get a nice full sound out of them. And I'm going to let you hear the first drum track and let you hear how this comes out. Very nice. So there you go, there's some drums for you. A lot of my drums sound very similar, and I'm sorry about that, but I love the way the music sounds with that particular drum beat. I try to change it up a little bit here and there, but that one seems to work best for the kind of music that I'm putting out. Now here I'm using the Europa keyboard effect. This thing sounds really good. It's called the wrench organ. And I don't usually use this, but in this instance, it came out really nice with this song. So give a listen to this. So that might sound a little weird, but I like the way that sounds with this song. If you use the bend wheel, you can make it go with the beat. Rather than just a straight sound, you can make it move with your drum beat if you use that bend wheel. So keep that in mind if you're going to try something like this. Okay, here I use Thor and an effect called Overworld. And it sounds similar to the Europa effect, but it adds to my hook. This is the hook part of the song, and I did add some cymbals to go with it. So I'll let you hear that, and you'll see how it changes. So here comes the hook of the song. I'm going to start halfway through the chorus, and what I've done was I've cut the drum short so it leaves a gap for something I'm going to show you in a couple tracks. So this is the hook added to the chorus, and I added some cymbals to go with the hook to bring it up a little bit. So yeah, just give this a listen. So as you've heard in my hook, you can hear that bend wheel. The bend wheel means a lot because it gives the song a togetherness. Everything's working together with that bend wheel. It goes with the song very nicely rather than just having a straight sound there. You're having a bending sound, and it definitely helps with the song. So what I've done for my next track is use vocals. These vocals are rights free, so you don't have to worry about getting sued. And I don't usually do this, but it came out really nice because I've just started using what's called a Neptune device on it. So what happened was when I got the vocals, they were not in the right key of my song. My song was in the key of G. And the Neptune device, I studied it, and it changes whatever vocals you have. You can change it to whatever key you need it to be, and it changed it to the key of G of my song, and it worked beautiful. I never used anything like this before, but if you have it, you know, learn about it on YouTube because it is awesome. So now I have vocals in here that are not mine for once, and it came out really nice. Take a listen. Now, as you heard through that, the vocals sound great. They're in the right key because of Neptune. And that gap I left open in my drums gave way for her to say sensation in that empty spot, and it sounded great. So there's one more track that I put into this, and it is my saxophone track, and that came out really nice as well. So what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna let you hear the whole piece and take it in with everything going on here. It sounds really good, came out really nice. I'm really happy about this. So yeah, give this a listen. So there you go. There's my beat. I hope you liked it. Hope you got something out of it. And I want you to subscribe to my channel and tell me what you think. If you hear something you like, you want me to elaborate on, show you how I did it, let me know. Talk to me. Because I have many, many more where this is coming from. I'll be back next week with another new one for you. And hope you like that one as well. Just tell me, you know, if you want more, I'll give you more. I got plenty. Alright? Get back with me. Give me the thumbs up. Let's get together. Let's talk. Let's see what we can do here. See what we can put together. Alright? Talk to you soon.